In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create better presentations with Canva. Whether you're presenting at a professional meeting or crafting a school project, Canva offers a versatile platform to make your presentation stand out. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Canva's powerful features. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, tap into the search bar. Here, you'll want to type in presentation. This will direct you to a variety of presentation options that Canva offers. It's a great place to start because it provides you with a foundation upon which you can build your customized presentation. It's all about making sure you have the right base to work from, and Canva does an excellent job providing that. After typing presentation and hitting search, you'll see a wide selection of templates pop up. These templates are specially curated to meet different aesthetics, themes, and presentation purposes. From sleek corporate designs to vibrant creative schemes, you can browse until you find something that aligns with your vision. Remember, picking the right template is crucial as it sets the tone and personality for your entire presentation. Once you've found the perfect template that speaks to your needs, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This action takes you into the Canva editor where the real fun begins. Don't worry, it's as easy as drag and drop. This editing workspace is intuitive and user-friendly, even if you're new to design. The key here is to make the template your own while maintaining a professional, cohesive look. With the template open in the editor, you can now start customizing the text. Perhaps the most critical part of your customization, editing the text, involves replacing the placeholder content with your own words. On completing this, focus on the alignment and consistency of fonts and sizes. This ensures readability and an overall polished look. Canva allows you to adjust all these settings with just a few clicks, providing you flexibility and control over how your final product will look. Voila! You've created a stunning presentation using Canva. By utilizing these templates and customization features, you've not only saved time but have also added a professional touch to your work. Make sure to review your slides once more to catch any small errors or adjustments that might need to be made before presenting. Mastering these steps certainly enhances your creative presentations with both ease and effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.